See, we go and sit in front of Patel brothers. This, again, the question of awareness, okay? You don't bring awareness to the community. They go and shop from Patels. Sometimes I sit there for 2 hours. Every 10th person or every 8th person is a Muslim lady or a Muslim family that walks out of Patel with a couple $100 worth of groceries, okay? You're obligated to support your own community rather than supporting Patel brothers, who in turn supports RSS. Okay, they don't give $100,000 or $50,000; they give in millions. Okay, if you see, right now we are in a process of getting more information as to how much revenues are going out of this country. It is very hard to do that, but we are trying at least to see if there is a way that we can find out those numbers. Then you will be surprised the amount of money that goes out to RSS. Okay, maybe all the offshoots that you have in Chicago, okay, they are all funded. Okay, they fund a lot more money than we do. Okay, if we don't stop it, we are going to be in deep trouble. Talk about the politics, even in grassroots politics. Talk about the Skokie City Hall. They have more commissioners, okay, on the board right now, Hindus, than Muslims. Same thing happening in Nepal.
So what's your message to the Muslim community?
The message to the Muslim community is please support your own community. Go to the Muslim stores. If you cannot find in Muslim stores, go to a Punjabi store or some other store rather than going to Patel. That is my number one message, is to stop going to Patel brothers, because they are a huge supporter of RSS.
Don't help them economically.
Absolutely. And we should do it. I mean, the responsibility is not ours. It is every single person's responsibility to do that.